Hey friends! Achieve a mirror-like finish today with premium car wash soaps that protect your paint and enhance its natural shine. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car wash soap in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the 3D Car Wash Soap. For the driver who values efficiency without compromising on aesthetic results, this formula provides a powerful one-step solution for washing and waxing simultaneously. It works by stripping away stubborn road film while depositing a fine layer of liquid wax to enhance the vehicle's natural color and depth. The rich, stable suds help to lift dust safely, ensuring that your sponge or mitt doesn't drag abrasive particles across the delicate clear coat. Because it is pH balanced, it won't interfere with your existing ceramic coatings, instead acting as a booster to maintain that fresh out-of-the-box detailed appearance. The Easy Rinse technology ensures that the soap washes away quickly, leaving behind nothing but a smooth, hydrophobic surface that sheds water with ease. It is a time-saving marvel that helps you achieve a high-gloss, protected finish in a fraction of the time compared to separate washing and waxing steps during your weekend cleaning. Next up, our second product, the Adams Polishes Car Wash Soap. Adams Polishes has crafted this pH-neutral masterpiece specifically for the dedicated enthusiast who performs regular weekly maintenance on their prized vehicle. This shampoo is engineered to be incredibly slick, providing a high level of lubrication that allows your wash mitt to glide effortlessly over the paintwork without causing damage. The formula produces a consistent, snow-like foam that clings to the surface, effectively trapping contaminants and lifting them away for a truly scratch-free experience. Beyond its cleaning prowess, the wild berry scent fills the air, creating a pleasant environment for detailers while being safe for all trim, rubber, and glass surfaces. Proudly manufactured in the USA, this concentrated soap works beautifully with foam cannons or traditional buckets, leaving behind a streak-free finish without any oily residue. It is a reliable, professional-grade staple that ensures your car's clear coat remains perfectly preserved and brilliantly clean every time you wash. Coming in at number 3, the Armor All Car Wash Soap. Armor All brings a legendary name in car care to your driveway with this ultra shine formula that expertly blends powerful cleaners with genuine carnauba wax. This 64-ounce bottle is a heavy hitter, providing thick, stable suds that gently lubricate the paint to prevent scratches while lifting away the toughest road grime. The addition of real wax helps water bead effectively, which drastically speeds up the drying process and prevents annoying water spots from forming on your hood. It is remarkably gentle on all automotive finishes, ensuring that your car's deep, rich color is enhanced rather than dulled by harsh chemicals. Whether you are using a standard garden hose or a high-pressure foam cannon, the luxurious lather provides a thorough and satisfying cleaning experience for any skill level. It remains a top-tier choice for those who want professional, mirror-like results and long-lasting protection with the simplicity of a single, cost-effective maintenance product in their garage. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Chemical Guys Ceramic Infused Wash. This sophisticated formula utilizes advanced SiO2 technology to bridge the gap between a standard wash and a full ceramic coating. It generates thick, luxurious suds that encapsulate abrasive dirt particles, effectively preventing the formation of micro-scratches or swirls during your wash. Because it is infused with high-grade ceramic polymers, every wash reinforces your vehicle's hydrophobic properties, making water and road debris bead off instantly. This pH-balanced solution is perfectly safe for existing coatings, clear coats, and glass, ensuring that your protective layers remain undisturbed while adding a deep, wet-look shine. The delightful sweet berry fragrance turns a routine chore into a sensory experience, while the concentrated liquid ensures that even a small amount provides massive cleaning coverage for multiple vehicles. It's the ultimate choice for enthusiasts who demand both deep cleaning and cutting-edge hydrophobic defense in a single bottle. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Chemical Guys Hero Car Wash Soap. When you need a versatile cleaning agent that performs like a champion on cars, trucks, and even RVs, this high-foam solution is your go-to option. It specializes in creating a dense layer of bubbles that minimizes friction, which is the primary cause of unsightly swirl marks during the hand-washing process. The pH-balanced chemistry means you can scrub down your paint, wheels, and trim without the fear of stripping away your expensive waxes or ceramic sealants. It is a favorite among professional detailers because of its ability to encapsulate grime, allowing it to be rinsed away freely without leaving any residue. This value-sized bottle is perfect for those who want a consistent, glossy shine that makes the vehicle look like it just left a high-end showroom. By utilizing this advanced foaming technology, you are choosing a product that prioritizes the safety and aesthetics of every exterior surface on your favorite ride. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.